In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and remove check-ins on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture. Then tap right here at three dots and select Activity Log. After that, you will be taken to your activity log, where you need to tap at Activity History first. After that, here we need to tap at Filters, select Categories, then tap at the very top at your Facebook activity, tap at Posts, and here we can easily find check-ins. That's where we can easily find all our posts with the check-ins. Here we can easily tap at three dots and then we can hit at View to head over to that post. We can move this post to Archive, or even we can move it to Trash. Just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.